Welcome, my dear students. Good morning. Stay home, stay safe. Today's homework. You must watch the today's online class, then do the homework. Thank you. 5 and goes on number. These numbers shows number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all red dotted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are natural numbers. These numbers are natural numbers. What happened there? Yes, very cool place. Temperature is very low. So -1, -2, -3. So left side you mark on -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. What represent here? As 0. Maya period 0 is find out. Oval up one line, down one line. Then advanced modern Hindu Arabic period 0 is find out very careful, very clearly. Now see here, right side dot lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Center is 0. Right side all the numbers positive integer. Left side all the numbers negative integer. Center is 0. These numbers are called integers. Plus number 0 minus integers. These all the numbers are called integers. Next, one rectangle paper. The paper divided into many parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 parts. Now one paper 0, first no paper, so one rectangle sheet, only one paper. This 1 and 0 and 1 mark on a number line. In between what is the rational numbers is there? 1/2. These 0 and 1 between 1/2. Next the same 0 and 1 between, see that 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. The 2/2 is strike out there, 1 is answer. 4/4 also strike out, answer is 1. So 0 and 1 between, first 0 and 1, next 1/2 is there, 2 parts. 4 parts for how many numbers in rational numbers is there? 3 numbers. Next many more numbers. Next also see that 0 and 1 between many more numbers. These numbers are all called rational numbers. Infinite number of the rational numbers 0 and 1 between. 0 and 1 only, not many numbers in between. Ordinary you marking the number line from 0, 1, 2, 3 you marking, no. See the right side 0, 1, 2, 3. Left side is -1, 2, 3. In between 0 and 1 between many more integer is there. 0 and 1 between how many integers and all there have? Many more integers. So infinite number of natural numbers is there. First natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. Natural, whole, integers. Collection of these numbers are called rational numbers. Students, rational numbers, number system. Natural numbers denoted the letter is capital letter N is equal to, start the set bracket 1, 2, 3 going on numbers, close the bracket. This is called the natural numbers. Next, whole numbers denoted the letter is W. Know very well, last year and all you studied. W equal to, set bracket start 0, 1, 2, 3 going on numbers, close the set bracket. Next, integers. Integers denoted the letter is capital letter Z is equal to, start set bracket etc. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 going on numbers. This is integer short form. Z equal to 0. First you write the 0. Plus 1, -1 you write the short form plus or -1, comma 2, -2, plus or -2, comma plus or -3 going on the numbers. These numbers are called the integers. These three about all the one you know very well. So number line you draw. Draw a number line. First 0, here you write in plus 1, here -1, 2, -2, 3, -3. 1, 2, 3 is called the natural numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 is called the whole number. -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3. These all the numbers are called integers. Rational numbers denoted as Q equal to A by B. So what you understand here? A by B, numerator for one number, denominator for one number. These numbers are called the fraction numbers. Fraction number is called the rational numbers. A by B is called the A by B as fraction. This fraction is called the rational. This fraction is called the rational. So now you see the box. First I am writing in N. N denoted natural numbers. W whole numbers. Z as integers. These collection of all numbers are called the rational numbers. Rational numbers Q equal to A by B. Kinds of fraction. Last year studied that all the fractions. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction, one example, 3 by 7, 2 by 11. Numerator for small number, denominator big number as called proper fraction. Improper fraction. Numerator for big number, denominator for small number is called as improper fraction. 17 by 11, 91 by 51. Mixed fraction. Whole number plus proper fraction. Whole number plus proper fraction or whole number plus improper fraction also called the mixed fraction. 1 by 2. Whole number plus proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. Whole number plus proper fraction is called as mixed fraction. Understand? Mixed fraction. Proper fraction. Whole number plus proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. Whole number plus proper fraction is called as mixed fraction. Now what you learned are rational numbers Q equal to A by B. All the collection of these numbers are called the rational numbers. Fraction is also rational. Kinds of fraction, proper, improper, mixed fraction. Which is bigger? I took two fraction numbers. Compare the two fraction which is bigger. First fraction is 4 by 5 or 8 by 9. Solution, write the question again. 4 by 5 or 8 by 9. Now denominator, numerator, denominator. Denominator you see the two numbers also different number. Different number you take LCM. LCM easy method is cross multiplication. So denominator number multiple by the first fraction, numerator and denominator. Next 8 by 9 you write after. Next fraction for you write multiple by 5 by 5. 4 by 5 into 9 by 5, 9 by 9 or 8 by 9 into 5 by 5. Now clear or not? This 9 you want to multiple here. This 5 multiple by that. So 4 9s are 36. 4 into 9. So Multiple the numbers. Numerator multiple. Denominator multiple. 4 9s are 36 by 5 9s are 35. Or 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. Third, now denominator, now see that two numbers also same number. So should not consider here. You want to consider the numerator. 36 is bigger, 40 is bigger, 40. So this fraction only bigger number. So 40 by 45 is bigger. Therefore 40 by 45 alternative fraction is, what is the question there? 8 by 9. Therefore 8 by 9 is bigger. Add the fraction. 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 10. Solution equal to, write again question. 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 10. Three numbers on table tally. You select the two numbers first, put in the bracket. Now compare the two denominator number. 5 by 8, two numbers also different. You take the LCM. LCM easy method is cross multiplication. 8 want to multiply the fraction. 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 10. Solution, write again question. 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 10. Three numbers from you take, selecting two numbers first. 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. Now see that denominator number, two numbers also different. Take the LCM. LCM easy method is cross multiplication. So this 8 multiple first fraction, numerator and denominator. Here have the 5, you want to multiply that. 5 by 5. 3 by 5 into 8 by 8. Next symbol is plus symbol. 5 by 8 into 5 by 5 plus 7 by 10. Now multiplication symbol. 3 8s are 24. 5 8s are 40. Next symbol is plus symbol. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40 plus 7 by 10. Now two numbers, denominator two number, same number. So write in one time. First number is 24. Next symbol is plus. Next number is 25. 24 plus 25. Same number. Add the number. 24 plus 25 equal to 49 by 40 plus 7 by 10. Now these two numbers also different number. So 10th table you start. 1 10 is 10, 2 10s are 20, 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40. So 4 multiple in up and down. 49 by 40 plus 7 4s are 28, 4 10s are 40. 49, two numbers also same number. 40 and 40 same. So 49 plus 28 divided by 40. 49 plus 28 equal to 77 by 40. Subtract the fraction. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Solution equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Close the bracket. Now BODMAS rules. You do the first bracket. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. See here 6 and 4 is different. You do the cross multiplication. 1 into 4 4. Next symbol is minus. 1 into 6 6 divided by 6 4s are 24. 1 by 8 minus 4 minus 6. What is 4 minus 6? Can't do in minus. You minus in 6 from 4. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Greater number is 4 or 6, 6. 6 nearby symbol is minus. Put in minus symbol. So 4 near is what symbol? Any symbol also there. Not what symbol is there? Plus symbol. So minus 2 divided by 24. Now here also minus bracket. This bracket meaning is, what is the meaning? Multiplication. 1 by 8 minus half. Half meaning is multiple. So minus into minus is plus. 2 by 24. Now these two numbers also different number. These two numbers also different. So in the 8 table you want to use 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 18, 3 8s are 24. So the 3 you want to multiply in first fraction only want to multiply 1 by 8 into 3 by 3 plus 2 by 24. 1 3 is 3, 3 8s are 24. Next symbol is plus 2 by 24. Now see the denominator same. So as usual addition 3 plus 2 5 divided by 24. 5 by 24. You should not add 24 plus 24 equal to 48. Should not add. So one time only write enough. Numerator only add the number 3 plus 2 5 by 24. Multiply. First 2 3 by 5 and 1 4 by 7. Solution 2 3 by 5 and 1 4 by 7. Given fraction is mixed fraction, change into the improper fraction. These two number want to do in multiplication. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. Here you do the multiplication. Next you do the addition. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 5. 13 by 5. And for use the symbol is into. Why? Given the sum is multiplication sum. So into 1 7 is 7. Multiple and addition. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 by 7. As usual addition hereafter very easy. So 13 into 11 divided by 5 into 7. 13 11s are 143 divided by 35. So the fraction is, what is the fraction? Numerator for big number, small denominator for small numbers. This fraction is called the improper fraction. Change into the mixed fraction. Why you want to change here? Given the question, all the numbers also mixed number. You want to write the answer also mixed fraction. 143 divided by 35. How many times possible? 4 35 5s are 145. 140. 3 minus 0 is 3. If our answer is quotient, 4 is quotient, 3 is remainder. First write the quotient, 4, remainder, next dividend. This number is dividend number, this number is divided number, this number is dividend number, this number is divided number. So 4 3 by 35. Next sum, division sum, 7 by 36 by 35 by 81. 7 by 36, this by instead of use the symbol is division symbol. 35 by 81. 7 by 36. Division change into the multiplication. So next fraction number you want write in the reciprocal. 35 by 81 reciprocal is 81 by 35. So see here any number also can able to cut, means cut the number. 1 7 is 7 and 5 7s are 35. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36. 1 9 is 9. 4 5s are 20. Example 1. Write the following decimal number as rationals. First sum is 3.0. Solution 3.0. Write again the question. 3 after how many numbers is there? Only one number. So point after only one number is there. So you write in, remove the decimal point 30. Next point after one number you write in divided by 10. Two numbers, suppose one there means you write in 100. Another one number you write in 1000. So now question is, what is the question? 3.0. 30 by 10. So 0 0 strike out. 3 by 1 answer is 3. 3 is the rational number. So 3 by 1 is fraction. Fraction is called the rational. Next sum 0.25. Write the question again. 0.25. Point after how many numbers there? 2 numbers. So 25. Remove the decimal point and write the number 25 by 100. First 10. First one number for 10. Second number for 100. 0. This 0 is no valuable. Strike out the 0. You write the answer is 25 by 100. So these two number is possible in which table for possible there? 25th table for also possible. 125 is 25. 425 is 100. 1 by 4 is the answer. Next question. Minus 5.8. Minus 5.8. So remove the decimal point. You write in 58. Point after one digit you write in by 10. These two number is possible in which table for possible? 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. 1 and 8 are 18. 9 2s are 18. 5 2s are 10. So answer is, symbol is minus symbol, minus 29 by 5. This improper fraction change into the mixed fraction. How many times possible there are? 5 5s are 5 5s are 25. Remaining 4 divided by 5. 5 4 by 5. One more example sum 1.15. So solution equal to 1.15. Again write the question. Point after how many digits are? 2 digits. So 2 digits for remove the decimal point. 115 divided by this point instead of you writing 100. Point after point for you writing by, point after 2 digit for writing 100. So these two number is possible in which table? Fifth table. So using the fifth table and strike out the number. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1. 1 and 5 15, 3 5s are 15, 1 5 2s are 10, extra 1 0 right here. So answer is 23 by 20. Coming fraction is what fraction? Improper fraction. So change into the mixed fraction. 23 divided by 20. So 120 is 20. Remaining 3. Answer quotient is first you write 1. 3 by 20. 3 by remainder divided by divide number. So answer is 1 3 by 20. Next example 1.2. Simplify. Reduce the standard form. Reduce and write it the standard form. Write the standard form. (48) divided by 84. First you writing this minus symbol, take over and writing numerator form. Minus 48 divided by 84. These two number also possible in which table? First you say use in the second table. Why you want to use in two table? Two numbers also even number. 1 2 is 2. First number. 2 2s are 4. Next number is 8. 4 2s are 8. Next 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So answer is minus symbol. Don't forget the minus symbol. Minus 24 divided by 42. Again possible in second table. So use the second table. You strike out. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 1. So answer is minus 12 by 21. Again possible. Two numbers also possible in same table. Which table? Divided by third table. 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21. Answer equal to minus 4 by 7. Minus 18 by minus 42. The same model. Another one sum. Solution. Minus 18 by 40. Minus 42. Write the question again. So minus into minus plus. Very good. Minus into minus plus 18 by 42. 18 and 42 is possible in which table first? 2 table. Why? Two numbers also even number. You write in 2 table. How many 2s are 18? 9 2s are 18. Next. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. So 21 2s are 42. Plus 9 by 21. These two number also possible in another one table. Third table. You use straightly 6 table also correct. Some students want to learn 1 by 1. So I am teaching 2 table, third table. 3 3s are 9. 7 3s are 21. So plus 3 by 7. Plus symbol. Here any symbol also there, not also what symbol here? A plus symbol. So write in 3 by 7. Write the rational numbers in ascending order and descending order. What is the first rational number? Minus 3 by 5, comma 7 by minus 10, comma minus 15 by 20, comma 14 by minus 30, comma minus 8 by 15. Solution, you write the question again. Okay, so minus 3 by 5. Here denominator for minus symbol, you write in proper fraction for this minus symbol up you write plus into minus, minus. So minus symbol, numerator from right. Minus 7 by 10, comma, minus 15 by 20, comma, this minus symbol, the numerator. Minus 14 by 30, comma, minus 8 by 15. This, see the denominator, all the numbers also different number. All the numbers also different number. You must take the LCM. 5, LCM, denominator number only you want to take the LCM. 5, 10, 20, 30, 15. These all the numbers also possible in. How many times possible? One time. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 4 5s are 20. 6 5s are 30. 3 5s are 15. Now you take the number is 2. 1 is no value, not possible. So you are writing 1. 1 you write. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 is not possible. Straightly you write in 3. Next you take the 2. 1 you straightly write. 1 2 is 2. 3 is not possible. As it is, what is the up? You write the same here. So third table you want to take. This all the one is 1 1 1 1 1 1. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. So last step is 1 1 must want to come. Now LCM want to find these factors. All the factor numbers want to multiple. LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 23s are 30, 60. So LCM is now 60. First fraction is, what is the fraction? Minus 3 by 5. Now which number multiple and get the answer denominator from 60? 5 to which number multiple and get the answer is 60? 12 5s are 60. 5 12s are 60. So here denominator you write 12. Numerator also writing 12. 12 3s are 36. Minus 36 by 60. Next fraction is minus 7 by 10 into dash equal to divided by 60. So 10 from which number multiple and get the answer is 60? 6. So 10 6 are 60. See, here write 6 means here also writing 6. 6 7s are 42. Minus 42 by 60. Minus symbol. Next 20 from which number? 3. 3 by 3. 15 3s are 45. Minus 45 by 60. 30. 32s are 60. Here also writing 2. So 32s are 60. 14 2s are 28. Minus 28 by 60. Minus 8 by 5 into which number multiple and get the answer is 60. 5 12s are 60. Here also writing 12. 12 8s are 96. So here minus symbol, you are writing here minus symbol. First answer is minus 36 by 60. Second answer is minus 42 by 60. Third answer is minus 45 by 60. Fourth answer minus 28 by 60. Minus 96 by 60. Minus 96 by 60. Minus 8 by 15 into dash equal to dash. Divided by LCM number is 60. So 15 to 15 4s are 60. So here also writing 4. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Their symbol is minus. Any symbol also not have means plus symbol. Plus into minus is minus 32 by 60. First sum answer is minus 36 by 60. Second fraction answer is minus 42 by 60. Next minus 45 by 60. Minus 28 by 60. Minus 32 by 60. Question is ascending order. Now come the answer you writing in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Small number to write in big number. Here which number is very small number? 28. No, 28 is correct. The symbol is what symbol? Minus. Minus value. Big, small number is big number. Big number is the small number. So now first big number is, what is the number? Minus 45 by 60. Next 42 by 60. Next minus 36 by 60. 32 by 60. Minus 28 by 60. Descending order very easy. Reversely you write in big to small. Which number is big number? Minus 28. Why writing in minus 28? Minus value, small number is the big number. So minus 28 you writing reversely. Answer is minus 28 by 60, minus 32 by 60, minus 36 by 60, minus 42 by 60, minus 45 by 60. Rational numbers on a number line. Draw a number line. First one is 0. Next number is 1. So in between numbers, how do they want to find? I give one example. Okay. Now I take in full size paper on A4 sheet. Okay. Now cut in 2 parts. How many parts I divide this one? 2 parts. First part, second part. This is the first part, second part. One paper I divided into two parts. So total parts is, how many parts is there? Have two parts. So two parts for, we writing first by 2. By 2. First part for 1 by 2. Second part for 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is take out 1, 2 is 2. Answer is, what is the answer? 1. The same paper I divided into 4 parts. The same one paper I divided into 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. 4 parts for you writing first by 4. Next by 4. Next you writing by 4. First part is 1 by 4. Second part is 2 by 4. Third part is 3 by 4. Fourth part is 4 by 4. For you take out 1, 4 is 4. 1 is the coming. I am writing in 1. Rational numbers, mark on a number line. Example, first sum. First I took positive rational number 3 by 4. So how to mark on a number line? You draw a line. This is, what is the integer? Positive integer. Must need in right side only. So writing 0, 1, 2. Next here writing minus 1. 3 by 4 is, what is the integer? Positive rational number. Step 1, how to do the sum. Step 1, 3 by 4. You divided that 3 by 4. This is the dividend number. This is the divide number. Possible or not? No. So writing 0. So 0 right after what here you write? 0 and 1 you write. Immediately you write in 0 and 1. See, this for 3 by 4 is lies between 0 and 1. So first step, 3 divided by 4, not possible. Not possible for what the write is 0. 0 next number is, what is the number? 1. So 0 and 1. 3 by 4 is lies between 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 you want to mark here again. How many parts there are? 3 parts. Here down number is, what is the number? 4. You here drawing 3 line is enough. Listen, 4 you write in only 3 lines. First line, second line, third line. So 3 by 4 want to mark 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Next one is 2 by 4. This point only, what is the pointer? 3 by 4. So write your note, one note. Very carefully want to mark. Understand this sum? Any doubt? Numbers, mark on a number line. Negative fraction number. Before sum is plus 3 by 4. Now I have to minus 3 by 4. Mark on a number line. First step is, what is the step? You are writing 0, 1, 2. Now want to mark the number is left side only. Left side all the one is negative integer. Minus 1, minus 2. Step 1, divide the number. Step 1 is, what is the number? Divide the number. Minus 3 by 4. Possible or not? No. So writing what the write? 0. 0 write next. You writing 0 and 1. Symbol is what symbol? Minus symbol. So writing here minus symbol. 0 for no. Any symbol also neutral. So minus 3 by 4 is lies between 0 and minus 1. So come here. 0 and minus 1. 0 and 1 for how many parts first here? 4 parts for how many lines inside you want to draw? Only 3 lines. First 1, 2, 3. First point is minus 1 by 4. Next one is minus 2 by 4. This one is, what is the number? Minus 3 by 4. So put in the dot and round the number. Minus 3 by 4 up you write. Fraction numbers, mark on a number line. 18 by 5. This fraction also positive rational number. How to mark the number line? Solution. 18 by 5. So draw a number line. 0, 1, 2. Here minus 1, minus 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First step is, what is the step? Divide the number. Which number want to divide? 18 by 5 want to divide. 18 by 5. 1 is not possible. 18. How many times possible? 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. 8 minus 5 is 3. Answer is 3 3 by 5. So 3 right after what the one write 3 and 4. Which number? 18 by 15. 18 by 15 is lies between 3 and 4. So how many parts they are given? 5. 5 for how many lines? 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 18. 3 times possible. 3 right after, before some 0 and 1 writing. No. So here also 3 next number is 4. So 18 by 5 is lies between 3 and 4. So your finger now go the 3 and 4 only. So next you see the number is how many parts there? 5 parts. 5 parts for you draw the line is how many lines? 4 lines. 3 and 4 in between you draw only 4 lines only. First line is, see here, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3, 1 by 5, 3, 2 by 5, 3, 3 by 5. So here write in 18 by 5 only write the answer. 18 by 5. Third line only write. See here again. This point is 18 by 5. 3 by 5 for, you should not write this number. Question only want write. What is the question? 18 by 5 only question. So our first number is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Marking for you want to divide the number. Find the answer. How many parts? Here to only want to divide and do the work. So third line is 18 by 5. Minus 32 by 7. What is the symbol? Minus. Minus symbol, you see the left side only. 0, 1, 2. Here write in minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. First step is divide the number. Minus 32 divided by 7. Minus symbol, minus symbol. How many times possible? 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. So you took 4 7s are 28. So right after what the write? 4 and 5. 4 and 5. What 5? Minus 5. Why writing here minus? Question is minus symbol. You writing minus symbol. So minus 32 by 7 is lies between 4 and 5. So here 12, here 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. Answer equal to minus 4 by 4 by 7. Minus 4, 4 by 7. So 4 and 5. Divide and get the answer is, what is the answer? Minus 4, 4 by 7. Quotient remainder by 7. So 7 parts. First here see the question 7. Minus 4 and minus 5 between how many lines must want to draw? 6 lines. 7 reducing one number, 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, now you want to see the answer. How many parts here? 4, 7 parts. Numerator for 4. So fourth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth line only you mark and write it the question. What is the question? Minus 32 by 7 only write. Should not write in minus 4, 4 by 7. Only identification for only use the fraction.